Hi guys, welcome to SA Kicks and Reviews. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the high power portable car jump starter and air compressor kit. I'm going to walk you through every component of the kit, demonstrating its usages and functionalities, as well as show you guys why this all-in-one power station is a must-have for roadside emergencies and everyday usage. So this is the box for it, or the casing for it rather. You can see you have your high power power bank on the top with your air compressor kit at the back. It shows you what exactly this kit comes with. Now this is the back of the kit, showing you each functionality for your high powered power bank, such as USB charging, engine car jump starting, using your air compressor kit with it as well, charging your laptops, your tellies, your mobiles, anything that supports USB. This is a very versatile emergency kit, guys, and we're going to be breaking it down today to show you each component of the kit, what it entails and how it works. So I've opened the kit, and as you can see, these are your jumper cables or your booster cables with an attachment on the end, and this slots into your power bank to boost your battery in your vehicle. And this is the power bank, which we're going to go through in detail. So that's your power bank there. Guys, if you enjoyed this video and you find it useful, please subscribe to stay tuned for more product reviews. Guys, this is the air compressor kit. The air compressor kit. These are to pump up your tires, your car tires, bicycle tires. You can pump up a ball with this. These are additional cables, which we're going to go through in a minute. This is your home charger cable. I'm just stripping the kit apart, guys, to show you what exactly comes in the kit. Those are multiple laptop attachments for charging and one user manual. Now that we've unboxed the entire kit and you can see what exactly comes in the kit, let's go through each of those items and check its functionality. So you have a little bag here, guys, and this goes onto your air compressor kit cable, the one that connects to your tire, and you can change that around to pump up a ball or pump up something smaller. These are different laptop attachments, charging pins to charge up your laptop. So you can see various different charging heads for your laptop there. All right. All depends on which one you'd like to use. A lot of laptop charging heads. You can charge other devices as well, not only laptops. I've charged mobile tellies with this as well. Guys, this is your user manual. Now, because this kit has so many uses, it's good to understand the functionality of it 100%. I would recommend that you guys read this instruction manual carefully, go through it and learn the functionality, the battery life, charge time, etc. So you guys have a better understanding on it. Now, these are your jumper booster cables for your 12-volt car battery. And this does an excellent job of boosting a dead car battery, guys. This is your car charger to charge up your power bank. That is your attachment to plug in a laptop, to charge your laptop off your power bank or any device that supports those pins. And this is your normal house charger to charge up your power bank. All right. And this is the air compressor kit, guys, for your tires, your car tires, bicycle tires, any form of tire that supports that valve. And I've shown you in the small clear packet, you have attachments to plug in and pump up a ball or any other plastic device for kids that supports that heads. So that's how the air kit works, or how it looks rather. And now we're going to get to the main thing, guys, the heart of the entire kit. So this is the high power 12-volt power bank or battery pack. Now you can see on one end it has that is a hammer, so that can crack through a glass. In case of emergencies, you can use it for pounding or banging on something, shatter a glass. As I've said, that is a very hard surface there on that side. On that flap it says engine. That is where we plug in the booster cable or the jumper cable. We plug that in there, and now you press that button, you can see the light comes on, and now this is ready to jump or boost your car battery. This works exceptionally well, guys, very effective. I've boosted my car battery with it numerous times. Very strong. It can boost up a stone dead battery in a quick, smooth and effective way instead of getting a whole other vehicle to boost it. So that is the jumper or booster cables. All right, now guys, I'd like to show you the air compressor kit. All right, now the air compressor, it comes with an attachment that plugs into where I've shown you on the high power bank, where the booster cables are plugged in. That's the type of cable that it comes with. However, I have cut those cables out and I have joined two simple battery clamps because I wanted this to work with any vehicle at any time, and you can connect this directly to your battery. So this is how I've customized my air compressor, not to work with the power bank, but rather to work off a battery due to frequent usage. So that's how I've customized mine. And now we need a battery to put this on, so I could show you guys how it sounds when it comes on and how it works. However, I'm going to use the battery pack to switch this on, and we're going to connect this to those jumper cables on the battery pack, and I'm going to show you guys how this works. So let's clamp in the red, and now let's clamp in the black, and listen to the compressor kit come on. Now you can see, guys, you've heard it come on. All right, now you've heard the air compressor kit come on, guys. That was just a test to show you guys how it works. Usually I would connect this directly off a car battery to boost the tires. However, this kit originally comes with a cable that plugs into the high power bank engine socket, exactly where those black and red booster cable goes in. All right, I've just customized it as I've told you. So we've gone through the air compressor kit. So you can see with me so far, guys, this is a very useful kit to have. Already we've covered 2 uses of it. So let's remove the jumper cables off, the booster cables, and let's go to the next usage of this. All right, now when you're charging this, guys, there's the port, the small port there. You just plug that in and you connect this directly to your house mains. It does take a 2-pin plug, as you can see. Alright, and if you want to charge this in your car, you can charge this in any vehicle that supports this cigarette lighter socket. You simply charge it there. It's good to charge this kit for a good 8 hours, guys. A solid 8 hours charges this kit, and it works fantastic thereafter. This is an output cable. The two chargers were inputs. This is an output, and this is for charging your laptop or any other device that supports these pins. Now I'm going to show you how exactly this connects and fits onto a attachment head that would charge a laptop, or it would charge a mobile tele machine, or it would charge some of the retail tablets or devices. I've done that once or twice before, so I'm going to show you guys now how it works. So I've had a few attachment heads from one of my laptop kits that I've just thrown in here as extras. So these are extras. We're going to put that back. And this is the kit that comes, the strip that comes with this kit. So you can see I've pulled out one attachment head. You simply slot in one and you slot that in. You press the button, make sure the lights come on, and now you're ready to charge your laptop, guys. This gives it a solid 2-hour charge, and I'm sure in that time your laptop would be fully charged. All right, so this is very good for power outings and emergency on the road. It has household usage, a very important kit to have. Now guys, you can see on the light bar section, as your battery life decreases, so will those lights decrease. From it's on 4 now, it's fully charged. It's going to go down to 3, 2, and 1 as the battery decreases. So you can see the 2 USB ports, guys. I'm going to demonstrate with this phone that it has charging capabilities through the USB ports, and that the USB ports do work. Simply slot in any USB powered device, press the light, and you can see the phone is charging. All right, you can see the charging light on the phone. The phone is charging. So apart from charging your laptop, you can charge your cell phone, you can charge a sound bar. Anything that supports USB 2 can be charged. You can even charge a haircut trimmer, as I'm going to show you now. Simply plug in your trimmer and you slot it into the USB device. Now you can see the light has come on. It's charging, guys. When I remove it, the light goes off. Slot it in again, the light comes on, and now the light's gone off. There's a switch on the device as well, guys. You can see on the extreme right next to the engine compartment, the engine slots, where you switch your power bank off and on. Ensure it is always in the off position if you're not using it. So now we're going to go through the light functionality, guys. There's a button there. If you click it once, you can see 3 lights stay on, and this is if you get stuck on the road. It's a torch light that you can use to see what exactly you're doing. If you double click the button again, now you can see it has a flash to alert people that you have broken down or you're in need of assistance. And if you double click it again, this is an emergency light to know that you are in distress and you require help from authorities, perhaps pass-by vehicle. So it's pretty cool. It has 3 different light stages. On the extreme left, you can see it has a cutting option. On the extreme left, it has a cutter option where you could cut various materials, pertaining to that slot. It has a Stanley knife blade in there. And yeah, so overall this is the high-powered 2-in-1 jump starter and air compressor kit, guys. A very handy emergency kit to have for household usage as well as usage on the road. I would definitely recommend everyone to get this.